I'm Sherry with Cher's Craft Addict, and today we're going to show you how to open the ever popular metal wind spinners. Have the hook. Then you're going to hold it at the top and at the bottom, and you're going to start pushing in the middle. And as you push the middle in, you can see it starting to open. Once it starts to open, you can grab a hold of the middle here and open it a little bit further. Once you have it sort of where you like it, you just adjust these little metal prongs here how you want it. And there you have it. You have your ever popular metal wind spinner. Again, thank you for joining us. Until next time, happy crafting!